Neptune drifts at the edge of our solar system, a frozen giant cloaked in deep blue mystery. It's a world of fierce winds, icy storms, and secrets hidden in its dark, distant clouds. But how much do we truly know about this ocean planet? Let's dive into 10 incredible facts that might just change the way you see Neptune. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system. Winds there can reach speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. It's like a never-ending cosmic hurricane. Despite being so far from the sun, Neptune is warmer than expected. Its core radiates leftover heat from its formation, creating an internal furnace that keeps its atmosphere surprisingly active. Neptune has a great dark spot, a massive storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This swirling storm could easily swallow Earth whole and still have room to spare. Neptune was the first planet found through mathematics. Scientists noticed strange movements in Uranus and used calculations to predict Neptune's location before anyone ever saw it through a telescope. Neptune's moon Triton is one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures plunging below -235 degrees Celsius. Triton orbits the planet backward, suggesting it might be a captured object from the Kuiper Belt. Neptune is about 17 times the mass of Earth, but it's only 4 times larger in diameter. That means it's incredibly dense for an ice giant, a heavyweight wrapped in delicate whirling clouds. Neptune's deep blue color isn't just from its distance. Methane in its atmosphere absorbs red light and reflects blue, creating its beautiful, mysterious hue. A year on Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years. In other words, since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has only completed one orbit around the Sun. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have visited Neptune, flying past it in 1989. It captured the first close-up images of the planet's storms, moons, and rings, a one-time glimpse at this distant world. Neptune has a system of faint, dusty rings. They're not as bright or grand as Saturn's, but they whisper secrets of collisions and cosmic dust drifting around the planet. So there you have it. Neptune isn't just a cold, distant ball of gas. It's a place of extreme winds, ancient storms, and cosmic mysteries still waiting to be unlocked. Which Neptune fact amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy this deep space journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more space wonders. See you in the next one.